Hey, welcome back to Rodgers Labs. From streaming movies to saving lives, cloud computing powers our world in amazing ways. In the final part of our cloud computing playlist, we're exploring real-world applications of the cloud across different industries. Let's see how it's changing the game. First up, entertainment. Ever binged a show on Netflix or jammed to music on Spotify? That's cloud computing at work. These platforms use the cloud to store massive amounts of video and audio files and deliver them to millions of users instantly. The cloud's scalability ensures smooth streaming, even during peak hours, like when a new show drops. Without the cloud, your movie night might be stuck buffering. Next, healthcare. The cloud helps hospitals and clinics store patient data, like electronic health records, securely in one place. Doctors can access these records from anywhere, say during an emergency, improving care and saving time. For example, cloud platforms like Microsoft Azure enable secure data sharing between hospitals while keeping sensitive information protected. The cloud is literally helping save lives. Now let's look at education and gaming. In education, platforms like Google Classroom use the cloud to host online courses, letting students and teachers collaborate from anywhere. In gaming, cloud services like Xbox Cloud Gaming stream high-end games to your phone or laptop without needing a powerful console. The cloud makes learning and gaming accessible, no matter your device or location. So why does the cloud matter? Its scalability handles huge amounts of data for streaming or healthcare. Its accessibility lets anyone, anywhere, use powerful tools. And it fuels innovation, powering AI, big data, and more. From entertainment to education, the cloud is the backbone of modern tech. Thanks for joining us on this journey through cloud computing. That's a wrap on our cloud computing playlist. If you loved learning about the cloud, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Rodgers Labs. Want more tech tutorials? Check out our other videos and keep exploring the world of technology with us.